All right, let's start getting into this. Oh boy, oh boy. So, sorry I missed last night. For those of you who didn't come into the morning, well, this is our second stream of the night. Or of the day, I should say. So, what we saw at the beginning of the day was that we were green. Now, start of a new day, we are red, but we did close above the 200 simple moving average on the daily, and now we are looking to try and stay above it. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you right now, I have an extremely very small list of things to look at, so if you guys want this stream to last more than 15 minutes, you guys are definitely going to have to request some things. And if it only lasts for 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to go right back to watching Invincible on Amazon Prime Video. Anyways, Bitcoin on the daily still looks fine. I'm still thinking we're going to get up here to 89,279. It's just, I'm kind of glad it's not happening over the weekend. So let's go ahead and dive into the lower time frame. So let's check your 4-hour time frame. 4 hour, you're sitting absolutely neutral. You're in between both your 150 simple moving averages, not really doing much. What is up, Loki? How you doing? What's up, Jason? How's it going, Ramza? How are we? Ramzan. Well, how you doing? What's up? ICP and Litecoin, got you covered, Jason. Got you covered. ICP, LTC, got it. All right. Here is my like for you. I appreciate you dropping the likes. Appreciate it. We need it in these dark, dark times of the depressing moments of crypto. I was going to make a more clickbaity title, but you know what? All those people not here in the streams right now deserve to miss out on the most gains. That's all I gotta say. They deserve it. I don't really care anymore. Anyways. Looking at this, we could argue that there is some form of a rising wedge pattern. The argument is there. It's still in play for us to go down to 71,000, but we are above the heart line on this falling channel, so I'm thinking the heart line is going to act as relatively strong support. That is my thought process, but we are still very neutral. Your MACD doesn't look too great on the 4-hour. It looks like it wants to go down, but, you know, we're still neutral on the 4-hour. We're still doing okay. Christian, facts. That's freaking right. Because you know what? All those people, you can only lead them to water so many times. Alright, let's refresh the liquidation heat map on the 24-hour real quick. So, looking at Bitcoin, it looks like they might be going for some of the longs. Oof. But there is a massive amount of shorts ready for the liquidations. If we check out the weekly time frame, you get to see the disparity a little bit more, where it's very little liquidity to the downside, massive amounts of liquidity to the upside. So hopefully they decide not to be jerks. Also, hope you're well, Porky. Hey, I'm doing good, Jim. How are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back, Jim, the two-timer, coming in here not only in the morning but also in the evening. What a freaking Chad. What a Chad! Anyways, so the list today that I have for you, it is Bitcoin, it's Sand, Arweave, and YGG. Outside of that, you're going to have to request, alright? Otherwise, I'm getting out of here early. I'm going to go back to watching my show, and I'm not even going to feel bad about it. If you want a lot more tokens that we looked at earlier today, you can check out the live stream that happened this morning. It was a really good morning stream. Really good. Morning stream was cool. It was cool. It was cool. Alrighty, so let's move on. Let's go ahead and check out Sand. So Sand, I'm currently in a trade on this one. I got out of it earlier. I got back into it. I had to. I'm glad YGG dipped so I could join in. Very nice, very nice. XRP. You want some XRP, Christian? Really? You want me to talk some shit? Alright. I got you. Is it good show? Yeah, it's actually a really good show. Think of The Boys, but cartoon version. Absolutely, I love the show. I'm really pissed off that I didn't start watching it sooner. There are 3 seasons, and each episode is like 50 minutes. It is so good. I'm really mad I didn't start watching it sooner. You need some time to yourself. It's all good. I like alone time. Hey, alone time's always good. Always good. I like dropping the alpha first, though, you know? What's up, Porky? Yo, what's up, DZ? How you doing? Alright, so, yeah, no, this Sand, Of course, we have this beautiful uptrend. It started to fall out. Reason why I got out and got back in, I re-upped on this trade, is because of the 15 minute. 15 minute showing me something I liked, showing me something that was kind of cute. It was like, oh, we fell out. We're bearishly backtesting. You got oversold. You got hidden bullish divergence going. I'm on a 25x long. I'm currently underwater by 7%, but we're going in here. We're going in. We're on it. We're here. But yeah. Had to. I'm more a 420 time. 420 time. Really. I don't know. I drink beer. I don't smoke. You request Degen, Ondo, and A8. You're requesting A8? That thing is up like crazy. Why are... Okay, sure. Well, I guess we'll do that. Loki, it's called Invincible. Invincible. It's a cartoon. And it's about, like, superheroes. And, yeah. It's a great show. It's on Amazon Prime. Degen. Ondo. A8. Got it. You want some Doge, Jamie? Got you, Doge. We got you covered on the Doge. Alright, so I'm thinking this hidden bullish divergence should play out on the 15 minute, and if we get a breakout to the upside, I'm looking for this 16% move to the upside on sand with the ascending triangle, and now the fake out to the downside could be beautiful. Oh, so you like Bear Real OS? Beer Real O. I'm so confused. Yes, I like beer. I've been drinking IPAs for half the day. Currently, I'm having this Hoppy Poppy IPA. Hoppy Poppy. Yeah, there's like flowers on it. It's beautiful. Anyways, let's move along from sand. Let's check out Arweave. So, AR. So, Arweave right now still in its uptrend, doing great, broke out of this downtrend. It's currently trying to find some support. I'm looking for this 10% move to the upside. Beer in your cereal. No, I don't do that. That's a lot. That is a lot. That's too much for me. I can't do that. Right now, I'm looking for this 10% move to the upside. You're sitting on top of support. Your CCI indicator reset on the 15 minute. Your 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's kind of struggling, but you're getting all the moving averages to go bullish for you. So this could be pretty darn good. You happy pappy for oh man, yeah. You know, today's a good day. Today's a good day. Wife let me actually watch my show for most of the day. I got a good nap in today. You know, it's a good day. It's a good day. So yeah, still looking for this 10% move to the upside. Beautiful break of resistance, utilizing it as support. This is what caught my attention. So just waiting for this move to finish off. We'll see if it'll do it before the weekend is over. We will see. Anyways, moving along, we got YGG. YGG took a little bit of a pullback, but we're waiting to see. Are you going to dump down or go back up? These moving averages on the 1 hour, crazy tight here. Crazy tight. So right now I'm still looking for this 21% move to the upside. Your 1 hour's resetting as we speak. Looking at your 15 minute, you got your hidden bullish divergence with the higher low. So this is actually what you really want to see while moving up. And you can see that right here with this uptrend right there. You can see the low that was here, lower low, higher relative strength, or higher price. So this is hidden bullish divergence. Let's see if it plays out or if it decides to dump down. We will find out this week on Dragon Ball Z. Anyways, 21% upside is what I'm looking for. All right, let's get into these requests real quick. So going into Dogecoin. And considering I had such little to tell you guys, I'm going to go into each one of these tokens as if I was trading it. So you guys are going to get all of the info that I look at whenever I'm starting to get into a trade, okay? Let's start off going into the weekly. Let's get all of our levels again because there's a lot of noise on that chart. So let's focus on things that are relevant, kind of like this level of support, which is now acting as resistance. You have this level of support down here that you have not touched yet. you also have this level of resistance right overhead that you kind of need to focus in on. So these are the levels that are most important. And then we also have this nonsense down here that acted as support. So that's great. That's awesome. Dude, I got food poisoning last 48 hours. I was peeing out of your butt. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Alrighty. Anyways, let's go into your daily here. Oh no, not the 2-day, because I don't look at the 2-day. Let's look at your daily for Doge. Daily for Doge. The double D. Okay, I'm getting a little too far here. You got to break out of your downtrend, so automatically you're going to be looking at some upside potential. Now, did we get a little bullish div? Did we? No. No, we did not. Oof. That's a shame. Such a shame. No bullish divergence. You still have the opportunity of going down lower. Yikes. Death cross has happened on the daily, so things that we all have to pay attention to. Looking at your 4-hour, you're in that neutral territory. You found yourself above that 50 simple moving average with hidden bearish divergence. That is a lot of hidden bearish divergence. You have a high right here, a lower high in price, and look at your relative strength. Oh my. This doesn't look great. Drink a beer. You'll be okay. Cheers. I believe Carlos was telling that to you, DZ, though. Believe Carlos was telling that to you. So I'm bearish on Dogecoin right now. Doge not looking great. I think this is a real breakdown where you could end up seeing this price start faltering a lot. Let's check it out on the 1 hour. Yikes. I don't know how to click things. Anyways, looking at it on the 1 hour, let's see if we have any hope here. Oh boy. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not. No bearish divergence. No bearish div. Mini ninny. We go now down, down, down. All right, mini. All right. Love it. Here we are. I love the bearish sentiment that is in the space right now. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Makes me think some of the shorts are going to get squeezed. But just my thought, you know, you had a double downtrend here for Dogecoin that you broke out of both. Who knows? Maybe you come back down, you test 14 cents as formal support. That would make a lot of sense. It honestly would. So right now, I'm not feeling too bearish, but I do think confirming a low might be important. So let's just say we do get a move to the downside. Let's look at it kind of like this. Maybe get a 10 to 15% downside move. Trumpy makes dumpy. I mean, yeah, everything dumped as soon as he got in office. It's as if we were in the height of the economy. It was the golden age of the economy before him. Yeah, definitely it was Trump's dump. Love it. Sorry, I don't really care who's in office. Anybody trying to spout off that we had a great economy before he walked in is full of shit. So either way, markets were going to dump. It's just now they have, we got a scapegoat. I could care less. All I'm focused on is how can I make money from this? So right now, we could see Dogecoin come down a little bit, but noted, if you do break above that 17,878, you could find yourself getting a nice rally to the upside. So you could, at the start, could be looking at something kind of like this, where you could go up 20%. That is nice, but as of right this moment, it's looking like it wants to take a little retracement. I'm a non-voter. Well, low-key. The nice thing about being a non-voter just basically means you're not allowed to bitch and complain about anything. I vote just for the strict, I'm allowed to bitch. I'm allowed to complain. I'm allowed to talk as much shit as I want. I voted. But yeah, either way, I don't really care who's in office. Honestly, are you making my life easier or harder? Is work going to come in faster or not? Am I going to have lower taxes? That's all I care about. I don't give a shit if it's blue, red, purple, green. I don't give a flying fuck. All I care about is, hey, am I going to pay less to the government? You got my vote, buddy. That's all I care about. I voted DJT, US. All right, all right. I mean, I don't really take pride in whoever I vote for. I just simply vote for I didn't like this. I think someone else could be better. That's all it is. And I did not vote for Kamala. I'll definitely say that. So I know there are some people out there, oh my god, this guy's such a... I don't give a shit, honestly. I voted for Obama back in the day. I voted for Trump this time around. Porky, are you PlayStation or Xbox? Xbox. PlayStation's so bad they had to have so many exclusives just to stay alive. Now Xbox saying, hey, PlayStation, enjoy your console wars. We're going online. We're going to be the budget PC everybody expected us to be. So, same here. I don't care. I vote for whoever can pump my bag so I can get out of here and live my life free. Exactly, DZ. Exactly. You know, I feel like more people need to be independent and not worry so much about their political party. I look lesbian who would vote... Wait, what? Do I look lesbian who would vote for Kamala? That's pretty funny. No, I couldn't vote for Kamala because I saw what she did as Attorney General. She's actually a very terrible human being. I was like, nope, no. And then I heard about her campaign funds. She did a really bad job managing her funds. And I was like, we're about to give her the money for the country? Oh, God, no. Oh, we can't have that. Aren't we dealing with, like, debt issues? Ugh, terrible. Everybody's like, well, it's for... I don't really give a shit about your personal feelings. The government doesn't give a shit about you. Billionaires don't give a shit about you. I'm going to tell you that right now. That is probably the biggest thing most people need to learn. They don't care about you. All they care about is how they can make more money. That is all they care about. Let me write some of these things down, because you guys are throwing them in. All right, we got TRB, Bell, KO. All right, TRB, Bell, KO. Casper for Jamie, CSPR. You guys are throwing it in right now. Holy. Oh, Jim, you said it twice. I got you, bro. I got you. Don't worry. USA ID 2, shake my head. Oh, there's gonna be corruption either way. Yeah, nobody can tell me Donald Trump never did some shady shit. He's a billionaire. I know he did some shady shit. I just don't know what it is. So, that doesn't surprise me in the least. Oh, our government was corrupt? Oh no! Who would have guessed? They're only making the highest amount in tax revenue in the world? Shocking. And we don't live 25 years in the future? We look at other countries and we're like, oh my god, their cities are better than ours. Obviously, it's not going to the American people. Obviously. So yeah, I just... claim she's black, Porky, black, she Indian, bro. I think she's half and half. Either way, whatever's gonna benefit her further in the polls, that's what she is for that week. Who cares? He shorted DJT, then complained they were shorting DJT. Then he sold DJT when it squeezed and started shorting it again. He's ruthless. That's kind of wild. That is wild. Would have stayed that way if Kamala won? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Either way. In retrospect, the amount that they're quote-unquote saving, it's not that much compared to our GDP. Like, I don't think a lot of people realize that. It's really not that much money, so it's not like, oh, we could have paid down the debt or something. No. It's just the fact of how many of those organizations were owned by the people working in government. How are they lining their pockets? That's what we're happy about. That's why it needed to stop, because there ain't no fucking way Sesame Street is playing that big of a role in the Middle East. There ain't no way. If the Trump coin people want to feel even more hopeless, they can go Chart DJT. Yeah, probably could. Is that Truth Social? Is that what DJT is? Truth Social? I don't know. They should all go to jail. Not only should they all go to jail, they should all have term limits. They all, you know, let's get some youth in there. I mean, at this point in time, I'm just kind of like, you know what? Anybody who's under 50, you got my vote. Well, what if they believe it? I don't give a shit. Under 50, got my vote. You know, it's funny you say that, Porky for Prez. I just realized with this recent birthday that I had, I could run for president. I'm finally 35. I could run for president. How crazy is that? I was like, what? No way. That's weird. I'll never do it. Trust me. I'll be the most corrupt SOB out there. I can guarantee you that. You don't want me for president. I'm a terrible, terrible person for president. Like, yeah, your guys' life will get a little bit better, but guaranteed it'll be like, oh, he's been embezzling money this whole time. Yeah, 100%. It's like, how much did he embezzle? 100 million. We didn't even know he did that. That's crazy. Like, yeah. What's my meme coin gonna be? No, not doing that. Not doing that. Alright, let's check out TRB. TRB here. So TRB, nice uptrend, nice ascending triangle, but it's doing that same thing most other tokens are doing right now, where it's like, oh, you're breaking out of your uptrend. What's going to happen next? You also, I believe, put in a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. You have a higher high in price, lower relative strength on that 15-minute. You could see this thing rally up. TRB could be getting set for a lot of upside. You're thinking too small. No, I'm just thinking of how much money do I need in order to not be bothered. Like, that's really all I want. That's why it's like, oh, this bull run, I want 10 million. And then next bull run, if I hit that 100 million mark, sorry, million, not billion, Jesus. If I hit that 100 million mark, then all of a sudden it'll be like, wow, where'd Porky go? He fucking disappeared. That's where he went. He is non-existent to anyone in this world because he got the F out, bought his real estate, and doesn't need to talk to a single person on this planet ever again. And no bullshit, I would disappear. I'd be living so far by myself, it would be unfathomable. Unfathomable? Yeah. It would be ridiculous. All right, bearish case here for TRB is to see that 19% downside, but your 15-minute is telling you a short squeeze could be coming, which is kind of weird to see that they're trying to fake out on the weekend, which I don't get it, but you could see a 17% rise to the upside, going up to 36.09. No more XRP TA at that point. Oh my goodness. No, I'll probably do dedicated videos to talk shit about XRP and how it's not at $1,000 a coin. I would make plenty of time for that. Figured you'd take a whole GDP. Nah, no need for that. That's too much. That brings so much attention to yourself. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Your 4-hour could dump, could pump. Looking at your 1 hour, 1 hour looks ready to go up, surprisingly. You're still above that 50 simple moving average. I think this is a fake out to the downside, just to lure in. I think it's bait for the bears. Honestly, it feels like bait for the bears. But you know what? Stay elusive, my friends. Make sure that stop loss is right here, 28.37. You lose that, then you're going down bad. And yeah. That's what I see out of TRB. I'm expecting this move to the upside though. I'm really expecting that. 36.03 looks pretty good to me. What is this? Oh, Peter! Thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat. CTX and XCN. Got you covered. CTXXCN. Alright. Got you covered there. Can we have BitBoy be the VP? Be incredible. No. Ew. Good God. That guy. He needs to pull it together, I swear. He needs to pull it together. Time for my to go get the wife from work. Alright, Loki. Well, hopefully the wife's doing well. Hopefully it was a good day of work for her, and I really do hope she's doing well. Hope she's doing well. Yo, what's up, Mo? How you doing? How you doing? Good morning to you. Hello. All right, checking out Bell next. So, B-E-L. Bell. Bell looks weird. You got that 17% to the downside, so raise hell, praise Dale, I guess. You almost got that entire move down to 51.59, but now you're overbought on the 1 hour. That's weird. That's weird. You got overbought. You have major hidden bearish divergence with that lower high. This isn't looking great for you on this one. This is looking really bad, if I'm being honest. I would be looking for downside. A lot of downside. I mean, like, tons of 38 cents looking real nice for BEL. Getting overbought on the 1 hour while making that lower high, that's disgusting. 40% downside is honestly what I'd be looking at. Looking for the 4 hour. 4 hour also looks absolutely disgusting. No. Nobody wants that. That's gross. That's like putting peas on beef jerky and calling it gourmet. Don't like this one bit. Not at all. Not at all. Like, yeah, we got back up for no reason at all because we're about to die. Yeah, lines up almost perfectly. Almost perfectly. So 40.95 or 38.13. This looks terrible. Good. You guys, do you please know why Bybit is delisting LAI? Not a clue. Not a clue. Usually why exchanges delist things is because of low trading volume, and considering I only heard about LAI like yesterday when I saw it down 75%, or maybe that was the one that was up a lot. I don't remember, but yeah, that was the only reason I heard about it. I was like, what the hell is this thing? So odds are very low trading volume, and that's why it's getting delisted. Alright, Bell is done. Let's check out Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Coke, not bad. Not bad. We caught support. Beautiful. We popped up. What in the hell am I looking at, though? Is that a double top? There ain't no way. There ain't no way. It's not a double top. It's slightly lower. Ugh, that looks gross, though. I don't like this. When coins hover near the 10 million market cap, they automatically start delisting. Okay, alright. Something happens to that. The team can appeal the delisting decision. Interesting. That's interesting. Alrighty, so, mate, I don't even know what to make of this, honestly. I would be looking for a higher low. So maybe you catch some support off that 200 daily moving average. That was a big spike that you got off of Coca-Cola here. Either way, I'm still looking for 86.84. If we are going into recession, Coca-Cola should do very well. Simply because it's one of those drinks that people feel good while drinking it, even though their world is crumbling. So, yeah. I would still be looking for $86. But, man, you got overbought. The bearish divergence? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, worst case scenario, you might be coming straight back down to this demand line at 62.72. We kind of have to wait and see. I like that you're about to get a golden cross, though. That golden cross is going to be huge. So, yeah, I'm thinking you're going to get that move to 86.84. Honestly, 86.84. Looking pretty solid. Am I getting rinsed? Fuck no, I'm not. Right there. Sand. We're back in the positive, baby. Up 2%. Let's go. Anyways, let's move on. CSPR. Casper Labs. Casper Labs, you are officially broken out and you're starting to make your move. You do have a measured move based off this falling wedge, and that's to get up to 20791. So, yeah, from where you're sitting at this moment, you could see another 70% upside move. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby. This one's pretty easy. All you got to do is stay above 11065. That's all you got to do. Stay above that. Let's check out your 15 minutes. See if it's doing the same weird stuff we're seeing around the market. No, it's doing something different. You're finding a lot of support up here. Holy. It's like sideways consolidation. That is crazy. I don't trust this one bit. I don't trust this at all. Yeah, I don't like this. This is something you'd like to see if it was on the daily or on the 4 hour. But seeing it on the 15 minute, I don't trust this at all. Oh, that's why I don't trust it. Wow. Trying to fall down. Do we have any type of... There's no hidden bullish divergence, nothing. Oh, wait, there it is. From this low down here, wow, that relative strength was actually pretty high. Now you have a lower relative strength all the way. Okay, all right. So hidden bearish bullish divergence is there. It's just I would have preferred a 50% retrace. I would have preferred that. The 50% retrace would have been way better. You almost got it. You came close. It's right here. Came really close. Be aware of a sudden spike down before popping back up. Be wary of that. But your next leg up, you might find yourself at 14716. You just might. Either way, this one's looking a little weird to me. A little weird. Oh, that's probably because you're overextended on the 1 hour. And you got overbought with bearish divergence. Okay, got it. 50% retrace would make a lot of sense. Wait for the breakout. Just wait for the breakout. If you're not already in on this trade, just wait. Give it some time. All right. Next up, we got CTX. CTX. Looks like dog poo-poo. We have officially realized we are going down. So it looks like 164.55 is your best bet. However, God, how weird to say this. It looks like you're getting hidden bullish divergence based off being oversold on the 1 hour. That is ridiculous. Really? Oh, goodness. All right, bullish case scenario. Even though you've been finding such great resistance, this stupid thing could be finding support. And you could find yourself going up 17%. So, there's a possibility. Only for futures, apparently. Oh, wow. Go figure. All right, bullish case scenario for this one is to go up 17%. You are putting in some hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour, which is really weird for me to say because I'm so bearish on this one. It's unreal. But doesn't look bad. It does not look that bad. Super oversold on the 15-minute. Holy shit. People don't want it. People just don't want it. Checking out your 4 hour. 4 hour, you're in neutral territory as well. If you can finish the 4 hour above that 50 simple moving average, all hope is there. You could see that 17% move to the upside. If not, you're wrecked. You're toast. You're going straight down to 164.55. Yikes. Fewer degen shorts. There are a lot fewer shorts out there. A lot fewer shorts. All right, XCN. Let's see what it did from yesterday to today. Wow, I chose the wrong chart, didn't I? I guess I didn't choose the wrong chart. Oh, no, I chose the right one. Let's go! Anyways, XCN. So I'm still thinking we should see some downside. Yesterday we were on a breakout, and I was calling for the downside. Downside's coming. So it looks like we're going to be going down. I'm looking for this 68% move to the downside. However, I cannot ignore we have broken out of our long-term downtrend. We could see 179% move to the upside. It is a possibility. Checking out our 1 hour. No bullish, hidden bullish divergence. We're good. Checking out our 15. Fuck. All right, 15-minute. Here we are. Hidden bullish div. That's surprising. Oh, wait. Hold up. Nope, I take it back. We got a lower low. Let's freaking go, baby. We're going down. We're going down. Yep, not looking great. Looks like we're going to be falling. Give it some time. I would not be trying to go long on this thing right now. I would not at all. OM looks ready for entry. Big move up or big move down. The way is consolidating. Can't know where next. Just wandering in ether. Yeah, it is wandering in ether, but the longer you wander in the ether, the more likely you dump. So I'm expecting downside. You had a very distinct uptrend, but now your recent lows, you lost it. I think we're falling. I think we're falling for XCN. I could be wrong. You guys can counter trade my opinion. I just think you're going to see a biblical fall. It's just going to take a long time. All right. Moving along, we got ICP. ICP. All right, let's go to the one on the daily. So on your daily, you have bullish divergence and testing a level of support. This is very good. You need a higher low. Yeah, gotta say it. You need a higher low. So until you test that 520 once again, I would be very cautious on this particular asset. Checking out your 4 hour time frame. Looks like you have a nice uptrend to work off of. So as long as you're maintaining this uptrend, fantastic. Enjoy the ride. However, you have major hidden bearish divergence, with this relative strength being almost at the top of this bullish control zone, and you're still below this high. Still below it. Significantly lower price, much higher relative strength, leaves this wide open for a dumpy dump. So you could find yourself back down to 520 and then get a rally on after that. But for now, I would not be trying to go long on this one. I was kind of hoping ICP would go back to $3. It's still a possibility. Still a possibility. I think the market's just a bit too oversold, and now people are realizing, oh, we're not making money to the downside anymore because nobody wants to put in longs. And so it's a good time for them to long. I'm not late. Rich, you're very late. 36 minutes and I'm almost done, brother. What are you doing? All right, going into LTC next. So if you guys didn't understand what I just said about ICP, wait for a back test on 520 before trying to go long. Trying to go long right now, extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. Looking at Litecoin, maintaining that longer term uptrend, fantastic. Maybe you go up and test 98.18. However, you did a really, really bad thing. You bearishly back tested the 50 simple on the 4 hour. You did not break above it. That's a bad thing. I will write down Kava. Got you covered on the Cubs. Got you covered on Kava. All right. Yeah, this doesn't look fantastic. Your P&L arc long could be a bucket of chicken at KFC. Well, nice. Get that chicken. You know, a bucket of chicken at KFC. I'm not gonna lie. That's expensive. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous how expensive it is. Percent better. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Jason, yep. Okay, so Litecoin, kind of disappointing. You're also putting in some signs of hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That's not what you want to see. So you want the bullish div to start playing out. You did have a low right here on your relative strength. Problem is that was your lowest price. So this is just an oversold bounce. We might see another test at $73.99. I just don't think it's going to be that long of a test. Let's see if we got a bullish div on the daily. No, we didn't, but we are bearishly backtesting that 200. God dang, that's too bad. And we did not get oversold. Are you serious? Did not get oversold. Oh no. So we could get a nice bearish backtest at 98.18 and then find ourselves going down even further. We lost our major level of support. It could be acting as resistance now. So that would be a shame. Would be a real shame, because 73 is one target. 47 is another target for Litecoin. We'll see what the traders decide to do on this, because noted, they could send it up. It's just, I feel like when they were trying to send it up as high as they could, the whole market was dumping. So that's kind of unfortunate. XRP, let's see if it fell back into its range. Not yet. You're still broken out. If you stay broken out when you backtest this 205 level, this could be extremely bullish. Sup with Swiftcoin. I don't know. We'll have to check it out. SWFT. We'll check it out for you. We'll check it out. All right. I fucked up already. Damn it. Sorry about that, Jamie. We'll check out Kava right after this. All right. So right now, I'm still looking at this as a descending triangle, or whatever you want to call it. Descending, not good. That's what I'm looking at it as. You do have a lower high happening right now. Let's check out your 4 hour time frame. We do have it. Oh shit. You have a high right here, higher high in relative strength, hidden bearish divergence. XRP strong like truck. Yeah, truck made in friggin' Guatemala. Probably not a good truck. All right, probably not. I'm looking for XRP to come down to 143. Smiley. Smelly like shit. Yeah, it's trash. It's so trash. The hidden bearish div says it all. You see the high right here, higher high. You see the high right here, lower high. That's some grade A amazingness. Hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour. This thing is ready to dump, baby, dump. It's actually perfectly set up for a dump too, which is weird. 39% downside is my target. That's my target. So, oh no, XRP, it's not going to be $1,000 a coin tomorrow. Oh, dang it. All right, Kava next. Kava moving to the upside. Great. We have resistance sitting at 5347 and at 6193. However, where are we supposed to go based off these breakouts? Well, where it's supposed to go is to get up right to that 6193. So you still have a little bit of room on this upside move. You could be finding yourself up another 26%, and it would be completely normal. So, yay, Kava's finally catching bids. Problem is, if we zoom out, you are still in this consolidation pattern. You're going to be hanging out in there for a hot minute. You know, a truck is the perfect instrument to crash through supports. Yeah, that's true. It is. All right, next up, we got DGen. Checking out DGen. If it seems like I'm flying through these guys, it's because I am. I am. A Ford Ranger is indestructible. Hey, hold on. Not the new ones. Now, you get one of them old ones, one of them good ones. Yeah, you're right. But unless you have one of the good ones, oh man. There it is. Alright, so DGen, you finally touched it. You touched support, you got the bullish divergence. Everything is built up for DGen to go up. If they decide to sell it off from here, well, I don't know what to tell you. The technicals say, hey, you're about to see a beautiful rise out of DGen. 363% upside is your target. We'll see if they do it. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of DGen here. Don't need to look at much more because you're at your lowest levels of support. If you get anything below that wick, well, I mean, I don't even know if you want to own it past that. I really don't think you want to own it past that. Would be pretty bad. Your O2 has been my friend for 23 years. It's true. Yeah, they live forever. You mean resistance. What do I mean about resistance? What? The old ones are for sure. Yeah, the old ones are great. Where's DZ at? His coin's finally ready. DZ is the one who requested this, Rich. That's how late you were. You didn't even see DZ request it. Damn. Rich was out here probably finding a new baby mama. Just looking for his one time. I need to give somebody some child support. Yeah, I see you, Rich. It's okay. It's alright. Little Casanova you are. Alright, moving on. We got Ondo. Ondo. We looked at this one earlier today. We're still in that consolidation? Are we serious? Hold on. Hold the F on here, brother. Alright, we tried to break to the upside. So this morning, I was calling for 19% upside. Now we're trying to break to the downside. But nope, we don't have it there. Let's check it out on the 15. 15 minute. Do we? How low were you? There's no hidden bullish divergence. This could be a problem. Napping more important. Oh boy. Is DGen going to catch bids though? Meme season feels over. I don't think meme season is ever over. I think more people just need to be employed at McDonald's. So, you know, meme coin season can come back. This one's a little weird. You did get nearly oversold on this move to the downside. You're catching bids to the upside. Honestly, it's kind of a toss-up in the air if you're going to come back down to 76.99, hold support, or if you're going to break to the upside and get that 19% move to the upside. I'm actually not sure because this thing essentially whipsawed and it's trading sideways out of it. I don't understand what Ondo's trying to do. I really don't know. You're just mixed up in these moving averages on the 1 hour. CCI indicators telling you to buy. Buy. It's just, if you look at the trend line, the trend is saying you're going to find a ton of resistance. I don't know. This one's a coin flip, honestly. If you go down, 11% downside, but if you go up, I mean, that 19% is looking real tantalizing. Looking real good. I feel like the shorts are going to get squeezed, though. I really do. A8, because some people like to see what they've missed out on. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yep, that's what you call a missed opportunity right there. I'm really glad you requested this because, you know, you're in the stratosphere, brother. Up 53% you're requesting this? Why? I don't get it. To request it was like down here around support, where I would have been like, oh, wait for the 8 cent level, and it never touched. So, of course, the shorts got squeezed into oblivion. Backtesting in an uptrend is a bad feeling. The red candles are tasty, though. Yeah. Yeah, backtesting an uptrend does suck because also it's like hard to get that stop loss in place. Okay, this thing on the 1 hour, super overbought. You went nuclear. On the 4 hour, super overbought. You went nuclear. Who knows? Maybe you find support around 24 cents. Maybe? I don't fucking know. Based off fib levels, a nice 886 would be getting up to 45.13. I don't think it's going to be able to just pump up above that within a single day, but I've been wrong in the past. It's fine. Yeah, crazy move. You're up 53%. Let's move on. All right, Swift. So this Swift coin, it's on BitGet. No, wait. SWG. Nope, that's not what it is. Hold on. Swift C? Swift coin. It is Swift C. There it is. Swift coin. Can I look at ENA? Got you. ENA. Got you covered. I wish TradingView showed market cap. I think it does. I just don't know what to click on to find it. Okay. Yeah, what is going on with Swift coin, honestly? Well, you got the measured move down. Let's look at the positive here. You got the move down. So we can get rid of that now. Let's get rid of this too. Let's go out to our daily. Oh, daily. You're rounding out at the bottom, but you're not oversold. Huh. Get rid of that because that doesn't matter anymore. Did we get an 886? Did we get the 886? The illustrious, the luxurious, the beautiful. We got the 886 and it started catching some bids. You're trying to hold on to support right now. Until you start getting some higher lows. I can't really say any two things about this. Oversold, higher low. You got an oversold bounce. That's really what you got here. It's deciding if it wants to stay up or go down. That's really all it is. I like that you're flattening out. I also like that you have some weird resemblance of a falling wedge pattern based off this right here. So that's kind of nice. You might get a bullish backtest. You might come down to 7998. It's honestly a toss-up if you're going to. If you hold support, though, you do have a measured move to the upside where you could find yourself going up 66%. So this one's a bit of a toss-up. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to reset, trying to stay above that 50 simple moving average, which would be really important. You have hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour based off this peak right here and the lower relative strength back here. So I would start to think you're going down. If you do go down, here is the measured move right here, and that would be to pretty much go down and test some support. So bearish side of things, you could find yourself coming down anywhere between 24 to 28%. You are currently underneath a level that should be acting as support, and it is currently resistance, but your bullish case, 66% move to the upside. So it's kind of a flip of a coin, but I never will go long if you're not using a level of support as support. So this one, wait about 9 minutes, see if it can pop back up above support, and if it does, that'll give you a lot better idea of if it's going to go up or down. Sheesh, what exchange lets you put that much short on Bitcoin? That's a lot on the shorts. That wick is such a funny downtrend. It is a funny downtrend, honestly. A phone call. A phone call. Yeah, that's fair. That's a good answer. A phone call. All right. Next up, we got ENA. It's the last one of the evening, unless somebody jumps in last minute. ENA. ENA. Here we go. Here we go. ENA. I don't see anything great about this, honestly. I don't. Let's check out your daily. So daily, I was trying to find an uptrend. It failed already, so that doesn't matter. You are bearish on this. Oh, sheesh. Maybe you stopped above it. I don't know. This kind of looks like a bearish backtest. Leaving it up to margin, that's kind of a problem. Yeah, see there? Now it looks like a bearish backtest. How crazy is that? I'm going to call it a bearish backtest. No problem. Can I check ape? Okay, I guess we're going to check ape. So this looks like a bearish backtest. I don't like this one bit. It looks like you might be coming down to confirm your lows all the way down here at 20 cents if this is a bearish backtest. If it's not, hey, you got a lot of upside. Because noted, you did break out of a long-term downtrend here. So I'm going to give you both the bullish and bearish case. You guys can make this decision all on your own. Because noted, you do have bullish divergence on the daily, and you could be setting up for a glory. So if we do move to the upside, we're looking at 149% move to the upside. And then, if it does not get the bids that it's looking for, 43% downside would be a shame. Considering I'm leaning toward the bullish side of things, I'm looking at that 149% upside move. However, you really got to get back above that trend line. Really do. If you don't, hey, the abyss is a great place. I hear it's pretty cold down there, and I guess ENA has been running hot. Who knows? Let's see. Where do you see crypto go in the next month or two? PMG, I wish I knew. Honestly, I wish I knew. If Wall Street was a little more straightforward in their decision making, I could tell you. But these people are reactionary. I have no clue. All I can say is looking like toward the end of the month, we should be bullish, but everything's subject to change. I wish I knew. I really do. Wish I knew. ApeCoin, we got a nice breakout. I'm still looking for this test at $1.04. So we're looking at still 100 oh no, not 100 anymore. 98% move to the upside. That's what I'm looking for Ape. You are literally at all-time lows. So if you lose this, if you bearishly backtest it and stay below it, price discovery to the downside, I wish you the best of luck. Because price discovery to the downside at this point could get nasty. And I mean nasty. You're looking at this. All we see is negative numbers. So yeah, I think it's going to go up 98%. That's my thought. Always a jinx. That's always a jinx. You said last one. Yeah, I always said last one. Always do. TA flowing in at the last second. Yeah, that's what happens. Can I do TA on ALCH? One more time, please. All right, we're going to check ALCH. ALCH Spot. Still bearish. Yep, I am still bearish. From the last time we looked at it, I mentioned it could go down 56%. It's moving to that 56%. I'm bearish. Very bearish. Yeah. Super bearish. Jamie, have a good night. I appreciate you for stopping in. You're absolutely amazing. You got great hair. Have a wonderful evening. Get some rest. Talk to a girl. I don't know what you're into. Talk to a guy. Hey, who knows? It's Jamie Jim. Jeez. No problem, Mo. But yeah, still bearish on this. You're finding so much resistance at that 66 level. It doesn't look pretty. Still bearish. Still bearish. Very, very bearish. All right. We got them done. We got him done. I'm going to go back to watching my show. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up. You guys are absolutely amazing. It's your wife, Jamie? Yeah, don't talk to her. Go watch a show. Go watch a show. Don't. I'm joking. I like talking to my wife, just not tonight, because I'm going to be watching Invincible. Oh, man. Also, my baby, my little boy, yeah, he has been going through it. The gas. He's been gassy and crying and yelling, and it's like, damn, brother, it's been rough out here. Wait. No. Thanks, Porty. Enjoy it. I will. Honestly, Invincible is a great show. I'm still in season 1. It's a great show, though. When you circle back to BTC, fine, Rich. Looking at BTC, it just tried to go positive. It's catching bids. Looking at the 15-minute, I'm still bullish on it since that video I posted the other day. I did the TA on this so many times. You have this nice rising wedge pattern. I believe it's going to short squeeze out of it. I believe it's going to. You missed the beginning. Yeah, no, I'm still saying it's going to go up to 89,297. I just don't think it's going to do it today. Maybe on Monday it does it. Who knows? If it does it to like today for Sunday, that's going to be a real problem come Monday. Monday, expect a huge swing to the downside just to fill those CME future gaps. But no, pretty bullish. Pretty bullish on the corn. Pretty bullish. Your 1 hour's reset. You're staying above your 50 simple moving average. Golden crosses are forming. Things are looking good. Looking good. Looking at sand, we're currently up 11% on the trade on a 25x long. No big deal. No big deal. We out here doing things. We're still long, baby. Yeah, let's wait till Monday. Exactly. Wait till Monday. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys have enjoyed some of the green candles lately. It's been a nice sign of relief. It has been beautiful. If you guys haven't done so, please hit the like button. I greatly appreciate that. Look out for some of the static videos. Maybe one day we'll get consistently over 50 views. Doubt it, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm out of here. Much love, everybody. If you haven't done so, join the Discord. It's a great place to be. You can request stuff, and I'll see you there. Take it easy. Keep your stop losses tight. Deuces, everybody. Deuces.